Greetings to all the dedicated members out there. We hope you're all healthy and happy. Every year, the Bay East Foundation grants scholarships to students pursuing a 4-year degree. These scholarships start at $1,500 and are available to students of all ages. If you know students who have a GPA of 3.5 or higher and live in Alameda or Contra Costa counties, have them check out bayeast.org/foundation for the application and additional info. Let's go to the head of the foundation and find out what they've been doing for the community so far. With us, we have Tony Albino, who is the president of the Bay East Foundation. Tony, thank you for your time and also for the so many things you've done for Bay East members and their loved ones. Could you tell us a little bit about the scholarship plan?
Sure. Nice to be able to speak on it. Last year, we had over 200 solid applicants from Alameda County and Contra Costa County. That ranged everywhere from Oakland and Berkeley all the way out to Oakley and Brentwood down to Livermore and Fremont. Each and every single one of these students were highly impressive, and I cannot stress that enough. And this year, we hope to raise even more money so we can continue to give out scholarships and fulfill some of these dreams of these kids that are just absolutely amazing.
Thank you, Tony. Now let's go to the heart of the foundation to hear more. Here is Sharon Bahoman, a trustee with the Bay East Foundation. Sharon, thank you for your time. Tell us how long you've been a trustee and what is Cheers to the Future?
Hi, Faye. Yes, I've been a trustee since 2019, so I'm in my second year. And Cheers to the Future is our annual scholarship fundraiser, and this month would have been when we're holding it, but with everything that's going on, we're shifting gears. And we're going to have a fun virtual wine tasting class with representatives from Steves Winery in Livermore. Three Steves is where we usually hold our event, and we wanted to offer people an opportunity to learn about wine and hear from the past scholarship recipients. So Tony, what else did you want to add?
Our Cheers to the Future virtual wine class is going to be on Saturday, May 2nd from 6:30 to 8:30. It's only $5 to register, and then after registering, you'll receive an email with some of the recommended wine that the sommelier and the Steves are going to talk about. You could even purchase the wines prior to the event so you can taste along with them while we go over this. We're really excited to have any of the past scholarship recipients join us. That way you'll get to see and meet them, and you want to hear about all the things that they've done, and you won't want to miss out hearing about some of the crazy impressionable students that we have had.
That would be so exciting to see. Thank you so much, Sharon and Tony. And for those of you out there, let me just remind you that the scholarship will go to students whose primary residence is Alameda County or Contra Costa County. However, their school could be elsewhere. To apply for the Bay East Foundation scholarship, please go to bayeast.org/foundation and stay healthy and happy. Thank you for watching.